I just received my album. It is quite thick. Oh my god. Did not know it's going to be this thick. That's carefully. Oh. Oh my god. This is cute. Some freebies. Very nice. Okay, so they arrived. Ah, I'm so nervous. So let's do the past version first. Okay. It's like a textbook. Strip them off. So let's see this one first. This is the folded poster. It's very long. Oh, sunshine looks so good. Oh my fucking god. Okay, letak tepi ni dulu, letak tepi. So I'm not looking anyways. So so I pulled Doyoung. Oh my god, I didn't get my my bias, but it's okay. I got Doyoung. Hello there. It's in a very good shape as well. We also pulled Mark. Mark! Finally I pulled him. I've never pulled him before. Looks very nice. So let's look at the special yearbook card. Who knows? Oh my god. Oh my god, is this real? What is this? Oh, the lyric. Shit, I don't know. Whatever. So let's see if there's any, you know, there's no luck. No luck. It's okay. So let's take a look. Okay, relax. Move on. So these are my pulls for the past version. So now we're going to do the future version. So let's do it. Wait, it's not. It's not working. LOL. Goodness gracious, it's so thick. Let's look at the...
Oh my god.
SM, please! So I'm going to... I'm not watching that. No, I'm not. So let's look at this first. Wow. Very nice. Look at Kun though. Oh my god, the deal videos. Put that aside, let's look at who we pulled. Huh? What? Okay. Wait, what? You're telling me I pulled this too? Is this a sign? Is this a sign? Oh my god. Doyoung, you look so good. It's in great condition. You look so good. I never thought I would pull him. Wait, I pulled Mark too. For the second time. Oh my god. Why is it so hard? Okay. Wow, I pulled Mark. Oh my god. I think I'm kind of sad I didn't pull that, but it's okay. Let's take a look. So yeah, these are my pulls. Ay, Mark. Suggest ang hantuy ako. Doyoung, come on. I've pulled him once, I think, from the T version. Yeah, that's all. I'm quite satisfied with my pulls. They look pretty, so I'm not salty. I love all of them. So yeah, thank you for watching.